Unboxing the Hypervolt percussion quiet sound massage device. Good morning, it's good to see you. Today we are unboxing the Hypervolt Hyper Percussion Massager here. As you can see, I'm very excited to finally open this up and actually use it. It's great for recovery. It's like your own personal massage device. First, we have a lot of editing to do today, so I'm gonna try this once again. This is the Qualia Mind Focus with caffeine. I'm gonna do what I usually do to feel my best, and that's to drink a nice smoothie in the morning. So you might be wondering, what do you put in your smoothie? Your morning smoothie that makes you feel amazing. Foundation of one of the best vegetables there is. Lots of dense nutrients. Approximately like that much. Organic strawberries, whole strawberries, and then some water. These three spices: ground cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric. Big bucket of ashwagandha. Creatine. Not only is it great for lifting, but it's also one of the best and oldest studied nootropics. L-glutamine, because I'm working out a lot. Super beets for blood flow. Mushrooms, you know, just so you can get high. I might drink one of these Lion's Mane coffees today. Currently I'm using Mountain Organics, but sometimes I'll put some kind of protein in as my other base. This is the current mix right now. It'll change from time to time. Will it blend? Let me know in the comments below, did I fill it up too much, or pretty sure the max line is right where my pointer finger is. Put on the cap. Alright, my favorite part of the video. This is the reason that you came here. We are officially unboxing the Hypervolt percussion quiet sound massage device right here. As you can see, luckily I had a friend give this to me, and I was very thankful. I asked for it and I was like, oh, you're nice. Thank you. I appreciate you. If you're watching this video, I don't think they do, but if they are, I appreciate you twice for viewing the video too. ASMR of the rapper. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, great. Relieves muscle soreness, promotes circulation, accelerates warm-up and recovery, lightweight and easy to use for myofascial release. So a roller is obviously the cheapest route, like you can use that to do these things. But this makes it a little bit easier, you know, you put in less work, you can do it at your desk while you're sitting there. It's like maybe during meetings. How do I open this? It should slide, right? Oh, here we go. There it is. This is the, feeling so hard at this. Back to the ASMR. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. So it just opens up. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, my very first Hypervolt. So excited for this Volt. This is the packaging, the manual, I assume. And inside we have the actual Volt. We have the charging cable, some proprietary cable right here with the Hypervolt on the name and the 2-prong approach. And a lot of things have this very similar cable. We have our different heads. So we've got the we need a real massage. We're going in and deep head. I don't know the names of these, but I'm gonna be making them up. This is the I'm trying to work some muscle around some kind of a muscle because the muscle around that muscle. This is the maybe it's my first time. I need a soft circular motion. These are kind of hard. Yep, it's not squishable, but this is just like a round head type of device. And then we have the, maybe this is the beginner head. A little bit of compression. We have a spring type head that also works as well. And then finally, the full device itself, the gun, the Hypervolt with the standard flat head that you can use. And it's got a quick start manual right there. And the charging and the on-off button are on the bottom, as well as the top, I assume, is like where the air gets pushed out of when this thing is moving real fast. So let's test this sucker out. You know, I would put this back here, but I don't have a second table. You know what I can do? I can turn this camera, press the on button, bottom of the handle. So there's the on switch. 1, 2, 3. The setting button is the power button. The secondary button right here on the back, that's the speed setting button. Select desired speed setting, press once per speed. So we'll remove the label before use. Oh, it looks like it has lights. Okay, there we go. So it's on. And we'll, right there. These are the, I assume we press it once. That's speed setting 1. There it goes. 2. 3. Back to 1. All right. Oh no, or off. So 1, 2, 3, right? It's got the, I assume this is the battery symbol, the green lights and the red, and then the top 3 lights. Level 1. Ooh. Oh, I'm really sore from my new personal trainer. I'm actually using this new app called Forward.fit. I have a referral link below, and it's a remote personal trainer, and I absolutely love it right now. So if you want to try it out, use my link for $50 off. I also get $50, and then that means I can keep using it. So it'll help support my healthy lifestyle. I appreciate it. But ooh, I've been really sore this week because of that. Now I just gotta learn about the heads, what they do, what they mean. Ooh. You know, imagine just sitting in a meeting and using this. Oh, this is gonna be life-changing. And it's quiet. So I actually tried the Theragun as well. It was an older model, but it was much louder. So I'm curious, I'm using the onboard, the Rode mic that's onboard this device. I'm curious if the audio is not as good, or if you can hear the feedback from this. So listen. That's the actual device, and I'm talking through the mic. I wonder how it sounds for you. Oh, well, I'm so freaking excited to start using this now. This is gonna be a part of my daily routine, the Hypervolt. Okay, especially on a day like this when I'm trying to edit. Wow, you know what I should do? Does this look better? Turning on of the light. Look at that, changes the whole perspective. I use a couple of Chrome extensions, Intention and YouTube Blocker and Facebook Newsfeed Eradicator, and that just helps me stay focused because look, social media are the first things on my page. Gotta hide them from myself. Let's edit. Different heads. It's like really quiet, surprisingly. This one's kind of funny. I'm such a child. Less surface area, less pain. Too soft for me. This is like the spring looking one. This is max pressure, by the way. It's pretty quiet. And the bullet, I like the bullet the most. The bullet item thingy is the most potent one there is. Am I ready? Ooh. Alright, we're done. Today's question of the day is, how do you take care of yourself? How do you make sure that you recover quickly? Subscribe, hit the like button, turn on your post notifications, and if you want to know what this is, it's on my channel, Neorhythm Omnipem. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Hyperice Hypervolt. This is Shervin Shares, where we share product services and experiences that help you achieve your peak performance. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace! Hypervolt. Now I'm going to get back to editing some videos.